So look at this question here. We are being told that solve for x in cotangent x cos squared x equals to 2 cotangent x. So the first thing we do here is this cot x cos squared x. I need to take this one from here to the other side. Now it would be minus 2 cot x equals to 0. So the common factor here is cot x. You can see here cot x here, cot x here. Now it will be cot x into cos squared x minus 2 equals to 0. That's the first thing now we have found. So let me start with the already we have cot x equals to 0 and cos, that is cos squared x minus 2 equals to 0. So let me start with this one, then I go to the second one. Now cos squared x minus 2 is equals to 0. So at this point here it will be cos squared x, I take this one to the other side, equals to 2. I need to find the square root of cos squared x, and the square root of there and the square root here. So it will be cos x equals to plus or minus, because of the square root. When you find the square root of one number, that is plus or minus. Now here it will be 1.4142. So at this point here we have cos x plus 1 minus 142, and we have negative 1.41. Now for me to get the cos inverse, it will be x is equals to the cos inverse of, I will pick one of it, that is positive 1.4142, and I will also find the second one, that is the cos inverse of negative 1.4142. Now there's something I need to show you here. At this point here, this one you cannot get the answer of it. It will give you what we call the math error, because if you press here the cos of inverse of positive 1.4142, you see there it tells you math error. So when I press also the negative 1.4142, it will tell me math error. Because of what? This number here in the positive side, it is over 1, which means it is over 1. Then this one here is less than negative 1. Any number which is in cos which is more than 1, that one it will give you math error. And number which is less than negative 1, it will give you math error. So this one here we say no answer. No answer, because it will give you math error. So let us focus on the next one, the ones we are doing it. So cot x equals to 0. So at this point here we remain with cot x equals to 0. Remember this one, it was the second one, the ones we are dealing with. So if cot x equals to 0 here, it will be, we know so well that cotangent x is the same as 1 over tan x. So what we are going to do here is we find the cotangent inverse of x. That's now x equals to the cotangent inverse of 0, which is going to give us the cotangent inverse of this one. It will be pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. and that is the answer of it.